Hello friends. Today I woke up and I thought I would try on everything that I made in 2024. Oh man, there's a lot of stuff. Okay, let's get started. I don't know what order I'm gonna go in. So the first thing that I made is this vest that I actually crocheted. It's made out of Malabrigo Rios in this peachy color. And this vest actually looks really silly if I don't wear something underneath it. So I'm gonna put on a t-shirt and then I'll put on the vest. Okay, there we go. Just a nice boxy vest. Overall, I think this vest is pretty cute. I like the color. It's nice and bright, pretty good for spring. Moving on. Next up, we have this sweater, the step-by-step sweater from Florence Miller. It's the first sweater that I knit in 2024. I love the yarn. The yarn is a Knit Picks, I think it's like called Chroma. There's mohair in it. It's really cute. It's really bright. I like the stripes. Pattern was really easy to follow. I think the only thing that I would do differently in the future is kind of wish I knit the sleeve just a little bit longer, but overall, sweater is pretty cute. I don't have that many complaints about it. It's very soft. It has a really nice drape to it. It's just me showing off my sweater. Yeah, pretty good for our first sweater. What do we have next? I have this shirt that I made. Okay, this shirt is kind of crazy. I don't know if you guys can like see it. I'm gonna put it on. I'm gonna put it on because I think I really have to wear it for you to get the whole effect. Sometimes it's like really hard to tell which side is the front. Yeah, this shirt is, it's pretty cool, not gonna lie. Honestly, I think this is one of the coolest patterns that I knit last year. It's the Romanesco jumper from Ranti Studios. It has this like 90s popcorn texture to it. It's a really cool top. I got kind of lazy and I didn't pick up stitches to make sleeve caps. Honestly, I kind of wish I did because I feel like this shirt would be more wearable if it even had like short sleeves. I am too lazy to go back and fix that. It's kind of a shame because I don't wear this shirt as much as I should. I think it's a really cool top. I just like don't quite know how to style it. And it's made from a merino wool. It's like DK weight. I love the yarn. I think this is like a pattern where the variegated yarn actually was a really good choice for it. But yeah, I don't know. Because it doesn't have sleeves, it's like kind of hard to style, I'm realizing. If any of you have any ideas for how I could wear this top, please leave it in the comments. I'm looking for ideas. I think this is a really cool shirt and I would really love to get more wear out of it. The next thing that I made was another shirt because who doesn't need shirts in their closet? This is the Stripe Overload Polo tee. I talked about it in my last video. This is by Spektakelstrik. This is just a DK weight cotton shirt. I love the stripes. I love the little polo collar. This was a really straightforward knit. Because it was striped too, it was really fun because it's just like, it's fun to like work on one row and then you really want to get to the next like color and then it just keeps going. So really fun shirt to make. So this is made from a Pima cotton yarn and Pima cotton is like a little bit hard to knit with on the wrist. So was it the most comfortable knitting experience? Possibly not. But did it turn out hella cute? Yes, it did. So, kind of worth it. After this, I made, ooh, look at this crazy green cardigan that I made. I like to wear this cardigan with this shirt actually, because I think the greens go really nicely together. This is a brioche stitch cardigan. This is the number 2 cardigan, also by Spektakelstrik. This was my first cardigan that I made. It took kind of a long time because brioche stitch is no joke. Honestly, worth it. The sweater, I'm realizing, or this pattern I should say, it's kind of a dupe for one of the Cezanne cardigans that's like gone viral on TikTok. I forget what it's called, the like, I don't know, I think it's called like the Emily cardigan? Something like that. I think the only thing that I kind of wish I did differently with this cardigan is I wish I knit it like one size up. I'm just realizing that I actually like my sweaters to be a little bit more oversized. I would knit this cardigan one size up, make the sleeves a little bit longer, make it a little bit less cropped, I think. But overall, she's still cute. I'm still a fan. I knit this with one of the suggested yarns, which is the Pickle Soft Fuzz. Held it with a strand of fingering merino, and then I didn't quite meet gauge on that, so added some mohair that I had in stash, and yeah, got this really cool marled effect. I also used really cute buttons from Pigeon Wishes button shop. Look at these. Aren't they pretty? They're so cute. Cardigans are such a labor of love, but they're so worth it. They're so versatile. I actually wear this cardigan all the freaking time, even though it's like a crazy green color. I'm gonna switch gears and talk a little bit about some of the things that I sewed this year, because I did a lot of sewing. This is the first dress that I sewed this year. It's the Clare dress by Hubba Patterns. I made it in this beautiful green linen. I guess you can probably see that there's a little bit of a theme here. Clearly there was a color that I really liked in 2024. Maybe you can't tell, but might be a little bit obsessed with the color green. Anyways, I just wanted like a simple dress. This is like a long maxi dress, and I just figured like a maxi dress is really suitable for San Francisco weather. It's not always warm enough here to show leg. Long skirts, long dresses really come in handy here. I added pockets because you bet if I'm making my own clothes, I'm gonna add pockets to everything. Funny story, when I first made this dress and I took a picture and showed it to my mom, the first thing she said was, "Looks like you need a belt with that dress." And I was like, oh my God, Mom, you are totally cramping my style right now. Ooh, let me show you this shirt that I made. Super cute. One of my favorite shirts that I made last year because it has this gigantic Peter Pan collar. Y'all, I am so into the big collar trend. Like, let's bring back big statement collars and really fun, bright, colorful pieces. This is a shirt that I made with a big ass frilly collar. Look at this like strawberry print, guys. This shirt is just, it's so cute. It's so cute. That's all I have to say. If I could wear this shirt every single day, I would. Okay, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to show you guys the full extent of these pants. These pants are kind of crazy. Y'all aren't even ready for this. Can you see this? Can you see this? These are a barrel leg pant, which is those pants that have like the curve on the outer seam. And I swear to God, everyone and their mom is hating on this style of pants right now on the internet. Maybe these look like maybe these look a little bit like clown pants. I'm kind of here for it. I love the volume. I love the craziness of the barrel pant shape. Okay, you know what? I like it. I like it. If I am gonna make these again, which I do really want to make another pair, I'm probably gonna size down like 2 whole sizes because this pair is way too voluminous. Like, holy crap, look at that. And I would probably choose a fabric that's a little bit more structured so that way you can kind of get a little bit more of that barrel shape coming through. But you know what? I love the color of these. They're comfortable. I really like that this pattern has an elastic waist at the back, but then like a traditional zip up in the front. So it's like business in the front, party in the back. You will probably, I can see it in the comments already. Some of you will probably hate these and I am totally okay with that. On today's edition of more pants that feel like sweatpants but don't look like sweatpants, we have the Sydney Graham Lane pants. So these are a pair of pants that are kind of designed to look a little bit like cargo pants with the addition of a cargo pant pocket here. These pants are really comfortable. They are drawstring. My biggest regret with these pants is the material that I made them out of. I used a cotton poplin, which I bought online, and I kind of didn't realize that this material would be giving scrubs a little bit. and someone else on TikTok totally noticed, and they definitely made sure to tell me their opinion that these are kind of giving scrubs. But you know what? They're still comfortable. They're still cute. I like the little bow tie that I added. I think it's giving Sandy Liang, even if these do kind of look a little bit like scrubs. The next outfit I'm gonna show you is kind of a fun one. So, I made these linen shorts from the same material that I made that crazy green dress out of. I had some leftover material. I was about to go to Toronto, so I figured, you know, might as well make some shorts. Shorts are always useful for summer weather. And then I made, check it out, I made this shirt. Oh, this is a Friday Pattern Company pattern. And guys, this is my, I call it dad goes to the beach outfit. Do I not look like a dad who's about to go to the beach and have the best freaking time of his life? Pow pow. Here is another one from Sydney Graham. This is not a pattern that she released, but actually a tutorial that she made on how to basically self-draft the tiered skirt of your dreams. This is my self-drafted multi-tiered skirt that I made. I love how this looks, although there are some things that I would do a little bit differently next time. Some of the things that I would change, I kind of made it so that it sits a little bit too high because I didn't include enough volume to accompany my hips. Turns out I have a little bit more junk in the trunk than I thought. I also kind of made the pockets, I don't know, I feel like they sit a little too low. This skirt still looks cute if I put like a t-shirt over it. She's cute. She's cute. I added this really cute like red lace trim to it. Overall, I'm still happy with it. I definitely learned a lot that I would do differently. I think I'm gonna make a couple more of these because they're a really great like wardrobe staple to have. I kind of want to do some in like maybe some more just like solid colors, maybe like a plain white one, maybe like a really like a lacier one. I think that could be really cute. I have yet another going to the beach slash hanging out at a resort type outfit. I don't know why I made so many beachy resort type outfits because I don't even like the beach that much, if I'm being honest. I think beaches are a tiny bit overrated. Please don't come for me. I'm more of a mountains girly, if I'm being honest. Yeah, this is a set that I made. So these pants are the Pomona pants by, I think Anna Allen is the designer. And I made a top in the same fabric. This is the Paula knot top, or it's supposed to be the Paula knot top, but this top is actually kind of a fail. I did a really bad job attaching the facing to the neckline, and so I can't actually wear this top the way that it's intended to be worn, which is kind of like a knot in the front. I just wear it like this. It still works. It's still kind of cute, but yeah, I don't know. One day I might go in and redo the facing, but I've kind of been a little bit lazy, so I just wear it like this. Still works. Still cute. Just live with my mistakes every day of my life. There's a cute little tie at the back. The next time I am hanging out at a resort in Bali, you know that this is what I'm gonna be wearing. When will I go to Bali? Who knows? You gotta manifest your dreams, right? And after we go on vacation to Bali, what do we do next? We come back to a barren wasteland known as winter, and we put on our Christmas sweater. This is the last sweater that I knit this year. It was my first color work project. I kind of just consider this my sweater for Christmas because the colors that I chose were kind of Christmassy. Got that flower motif. This is the Móinéar sweater by Ailbíona McLochlainn. I think that's how you pronounce it. Anyways, she's very cute. She's very warm. I wore this in Japan. I wore this in the winter time in Canada. I'm just gonna get up close so you can see the flowers. I love me a big flower motif. Who doesn't? All right, y'all. I've been saving my favorite thing that I made in 2024 for last, and that is this dress. And because I am so predictable, the reason why this dress is my favorite is because she has a huge collar. I just love big collars. Do you guys remember that website called lookbook.new or whatever? I used to be obsessed with that website. Is big collar giving like 2013 Tumblr era? I don't really mind if it does, but look at this dress. Look at this dress. She's so cute. She's so cute. And the best part, this dress is the perfect dress because it has pockets and it has a statement collar. And I like to wear this dress with one of the last things that I knit, which is this sweater vest. It's giving autumnal. It's giving crisp, cold fall weather, which we don't really have in San Francisco. But one can dream. One can dream. I'll get up close so you can see. So this is actually a cabled vest. I don't know if it's coming through because I chose kind of a dark yarn for it. You can see the cables in person, but I'm not sure if it comes through quite as well on camera. Trust, it is a cabled vest. I have a lot of clothes to put away now. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me put on every single thing that I made in 2024. Comment below which was your favorite piece. Oh man, I have made a mess. I have made a real mess. Now I have to put all this stuff away.